his body was lying down. Yeah. Came over here was there's a big case
Injury?
over here. Yeah.
Oi,
About half-inch deep down inside.
oi. What time was this, Toga?
I came over here around about a little after 7 o'clock in the morning.
7. You were going
Yeah.
to work or
I
something?
was going to work, yeah.
Oi.
I think so around about 7:05 like that. The tide was really low. the tide was really low.
Was he a young guy or?
He was somewhere around late 20s and early 30s like that. Yeah.
And with the clothes and stuff was like what?
No, he had an orange shirt, long pants,
Okay.
and a round t-shirt inside. Yeah.
And then who called police? Who did you guys inform?
I don't know. When I came here, there was 2 cops standing here. One standing over there and one standing on the other side over
Oh,
there.
they were already here.
Yeah, 2 cops were already here.
So, how did you guys notice the body when?
No, I came and I saw one of them standing over here and looking down over there. But when I came down from that bend and I saw him lying down on the edge of the water, yeah.
You also staying in the village, Toga?
Yeah, the first village.
This is the second incident in like couple months. The last
Yes.
one was that young kid.
Yeah,
Arun?
the small, the young guy, the 17-year-old or the 18-year-old, the teenage guy, yes. The second one.
Body was this side of the bridge, so because
Yeah.
the water comes from this side. It
Water,
doesn't
yeah.
come from this side.
Yeah, no. Water comes from this side and goes down that way.
So you guys couldn't have come in the river to come and stuck here.
No. It looks like his body was dumped over here. Yeah.
But is he from somewhere in the village?
No, not really sure. The Indian guy.
Or it is-